This conference will
one
now
kind
be
of a
recorded.
data structure, right? One kind of a data structure. I already informed. So how many types of data types are available in Python programming? There are 5 kinds of data types. One is for numbers, second one is for strings, third one is for list, fourth one for tuples, the fifth one is dictionaries. Once you touch list, tuple, dictionary, these are collections, right? Collection framework in Python programming, right? Now, so now I'm talking about the dictionary. Before going to the dictionary, so this is list, organize their elements by position. See, list is equals to, you are giving 0th location, 1 location, 2 location, 3 location, 4 location, up to n minus 1 location, right? Then the this mode of organization is useful when you want to locate the first element, the last element, or visit each element, right, in the list. First element, last element, or you can visit any element of the given list in the sequential manner. However, in some situations, the position of datum in a structure is irrelevant. So maybe sometimes that is datum is irrelevant structure. We are interested in its association with some other element in the structure. Association with some other element in the structure. For example, you might want to look up phone numbers book. For example, see, in your phone number book, once you open your phone book of your mobile, in the sequential order or irrelevant order, you check once, they are maintaining in the sequential order, yes or no? In your phone book, sequential order they are maintaining, right? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So here, like phone book, encyclopedia, right? Then dictionary. Okay, these are the examples of dictionary. So here, once your phone book is organized by association. For example, in your phone book, in your mobile phone book, so open. If you save my number into that, so either you are using Dr. Kamesh or Kamesh sir or etc. You have used in your mobile. So once you go to that particular name, right, representation of the name, you how your convention, so you mind in your mind, you so how I am stored the number looks like you are presenting on that, or otherwise you put my name Kamesh, whether it is available, so related to how many names are, they are displayed in the screen. Because dictionary looks like, okay, the particular first character, once you open, so the K, so directly go to the K, A, M, E, S, H. So if you proper you put, then automatically that number only will come. Otherwise, so related articles will be open. So once you related articles, you can see, go through that, so which number is that. So means here, why I am saying that, so you are searching for a key, appropriate value will be opened. So dictionary is related to key value pair. So that is the reason. So once you open your phone book, once you open your Google, so once you open Google, so related article, for example, Python dictionary you want, so you go to the Google, so dictionaries in Python, so related articles will be open. Understand the similar kind. So in your mobile phone, so phone book, so once you search any name, then appropriate value will be open. This is what So key value pair, right? Key value pair. Madam, start చేసాను కదా. నేను ఇంకా చేయట్లా, నేను మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. Okay, so then here then dictionaries are based on association. Based on association. List is based on sequential manner, means element by element, that is called as index based. So here association based. Dictionary is association, in the list is sequential, means index based, right? But both are, list is similar to dictionary. Then a dictionary organize the information by association, not by position. So list is by position. So here dictionary is based on association. For example, when you use a dictionary to look up the definition of mammal, for example, mammal, right? If you use mammal, that so directly goes to M A M M A L, right? So if you want to open that M A M A L, right? So you are using like a dictionary, right? Key appropriate value. Then so you directly, you don't want to use first index. So wherever your mammal is there, directly goes to that word. Understand? So first letter, second letter, third letter, fourth letter, no need to touch. Wherever you are asking that position, I mean key value, appropriate directly represented to that key value, key followed by the value. So this is called as association. Association, right? Now, so these are the examples of phone book, address book, encyclopedia, or reference sources, etc. Here, the organization of association is called as either tables or association list. In Python, a dictionary associates a set of keys with data values. For example, the key in the dictionary is comprised the set of words where the association data values are their definitions. In the section, so we examine the use of dictionaries in data processing only. So how do we use the dictionary literals? The dictionary literals in written as sequence of key value pair separated by comma. For example, so many students names are there in your section, right? In the section name colon, so first name number followed by name, second name, third name, means based on your roll number 1 2 3 4 up to 60 students. Name is a key, value is student name. Understand? So name is unique, value is will be changing. Understand? So this is what key value pairs, right? Now these pairs are sometimes called as entries. One student entry, second student entry, third student entry, fourth student entry, up to 720 students entry in our first year department, right? So then here, see, how do you represent? So we can represent list using square brackets, tuple using parentheses, now dictionary using curly braces, right? So once you use how to write a program in dictionary program, we can use either list is square brackets, tuple is parentheses, dictionary is curly braces, right? Now my slides are not changing. Wait, I will give you the explanation of dictionary. Then I will go to PowerPoint presentation and as well as online, hands-on experience also. Please don't confuse. I will tell you. Now, see, enclosed with curly braces. Once you separated with the key value pair using colon is separated by your name and value, your age and age number. See, so these are the separations of dictionaries, right? So now I'm going to PowerPoint presentation. See now. See, what is a collection? What is a collection? A collection is great way to put more than one value. More than one value. For example, 720 students data I should maintain in an examination branch. So how can I maintain the collection of data? This is the first year students data in that branch, ECE, CSE, EEE, IT. So four branches, divisions, the four branch students together, 700 students. So we have maintained the data. So how can I maintain? So this is called as a collection is a great way to put more than one value and carry them all around in one convenient package. See, while processing the result, so one student got how many grades, how many marks, right? So I can send through your mobile immediately. How? It is stretch 700 students. So immediately send the information to them. How it is possible? Because of we are maintaining collection of the information of an individual particular student and group by we are sending the data. Right? So we have a bunch of values in a single variable. See, a bunch of values in single variable. So best suitable example. So in your college bag. So inside the college bag, apart from the books, so you are putting some more material, right? So that is called as collection. So your representation is bag, college bag inside. So many articles, many items, right? So you want to separate. See, then the best example. What is not a collection? Most of